Hi everyone, my name's Marcus Clements from Clem Carpentry. We're a Brisbane-based building company who specialise in high quality renovations, and today we're going to be showing you a time-lapse video that shows you step by step what we do. Alrighty, so we're going to be taking out the upstairs window and removing the upstairs balcony, and then we're on to the profiles and setting up new post hole locations. These post holes have been through engineering and need to be dug to 2 meters deep using an excavator. Then we're going to be on to boxing up the holes ready for concrete and the new post supports.
So it doesn't matter if I'm there or not, right?
You were just afraid they'd abandon you. So you abandoned them. You distanced yourself from the whole thing.
Now we're installing the rubber joist protector. This is the straps hanging down. We install this to prevent moisture from sitting on the joist. Now we're onto the hardwood decking. This decking is a secret fix system. It has a rebate down the side of the boards. We then use stainless steel screws and clips to fasten it down. Now we're installing the Lvl Rafters. That's a laminated veneer lumber. These are treated to H3. We then fasten them into position using batten screws through the front face of the beam. We install them this way to prevent using triple grips, so when you're on the balcony looking up you can't see any visual fixings. It just leaves it a nice clean finish. We're now building the front hardwood butterfly staircase. We use kiln dried Queeler because it doesn't shrink and you can get nice tight joints between your stringers and your step treads. We make sure we always prime in between notchings and any cut-ins, and we then seal off using a clear urethane sealant. We use this because it's paintable and it's very flexible and it lasts well in UV. Well guys, thanks for watching. That wraps up another renovation. We look forward to doing plenty more and showing you more videos. If you would like to find more information about us, please go to our website. Thank you.